Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out here riding with Keith and Kevin. Of course, they're way up in front of me.
Man, that sand had me going through.
There's some sand. Oh yeah.
Oh, I bet if it was wet, it would be a lot of fun. There's some big old rocks out here.
Yeah. Goat heads, they bust your head. You hit one wrong. We're going in the mountains or in the hills.
Yeah, he said that that's what he was telling me. I don't know if you heard him when he turned back when he was talking to me. He said it's a little bit rough, and he said that we were going to go up that trail up that hill.
Huh.
And I'm guessing this is the trail up that hill. And I guess he said it goes like over the hill and then back behind it or something, and like back out around.
Huh.
Something, I don't know. Dude, what? Okay. He said you have to be on the right side up here.
Okay. That's what it was back when he rode it before, but it may have washed different.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's the way it is, and then it changes next time you go out. You come out here and the whole road be gone.
Yeah, that's true. You're not wrong. We found that out.
Yeah.
That border wall changes every time we're out there. It's a new experience every time. Oh, okay, this is what he was saying. It comes back out to. It goes up over that hill and it comes out right here.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Look at this crap. There are just trails all over the place out here.
Yeah, no. Now we definitely have some more exploring to come do.
Yeah, and this is close. Especially if we come the other way from the house, not go through Tombstone and around.
Yeah.
It's just stupid how much better this is than Missouri.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Missouri, there is so much potential in it, but everything is just so shut off. Of course, there's not near the land of Missouri either because it's all populated.
Yeah,
There's not this
that
big of
too.
areas nowhere in Missouri.
That too. That's why everything shut off too, because it's all private property.
Yeah, I mean, everybody's bought it up. Most of the national forests have been sold off.
It'd be nice to go out to Utah sometime and ride. That place looks freaking
Oh yeah,
awesome.
it's a hotbed for off-road.
That and Colorado. Colorado, I mean, we're right below Colorado now. It's not like we're in Missouri and like 20 hours away.
Yeah, we're closer now, a lot closer.
Yeah, we're like, I think it's like 8 hours from the bottom of Colorado, or like
Yeah,
7 hours, something
yeah.
like that.
Hey, I'd like to do the Colorado loop on the motorcycle.
That would be
I mean the Alpine loop. I've done it in the Jeep, but it'd be cool on the motorcycle.
okay. He says someday when we're 100%, and I think he means you. Um,
Pretty
he
cool
said not
windmill.
today.
Pretty cool windmill. They're filling that tank, keeping it full of water.
But did you hear what he said?
Huh?
Said that over there, there's a wash over there,
Oh
but today's not the day.
yeah. Yeah, we'll have to come back. I could do it if I was on the, I don't know, CT, but the CT problem is it's rougher riding than this. I mean, I like it better as far as riding on this stuff, but it is rougher. It ain't got near the suspension. It's not actually rougher if you go slow
Yeah.
and just putt-putt. But if you try to go fast on the CT, it's just too rough riding.
See, that's the difference between these bikes. Everything smooths out when you go fast on this bike.
Right. On the CT, you don't. Everything gets rougher. Yeah, you're right. Faster you go on these, the smoother it is.
Yep. It's funny how that works. There's a simple difference in like the setup of a bike.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot different suspension. He found a jump.
I always find jumps.
If it ain't a jump, he makes it into a jump.
I'll make a pebble into a jump.
Preload the suspension and do it.
It's a fun little trail through here.
Yeah, it is.
It's nice.
Keith, you found us a good spot.
It gets a little bit rough right here.
When in doubt, pour the gas on.
Some kind of little single track right there.
Oh yeah, it looks like it. Be a cow path. There's one going up that mountain.
Yeah, that's probably where that trail right there goes.
Probably.
And he probably knows it too. That's probably why he avoided it.
He said he's rode all over out in here.
Whoop section.
Well, it is. You can see where the rain washed through here.
It's nice going through stuff like that, not having my freaking saddlebags go flop, 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 flop.
Oh, yeah, true. That's true. They do that. That's why I don't like to have my saddlebags on all the time. I like them if we need them for camping or something, but not just to carry them all the time and nothing in them, you know.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it was nice for like some conveniences of like just carrying crap if I wanted to. But I mean, really, like I if I want to carry crap, I can have a tank bag, a tail bag, and my backpack until we go moto camping. Then I can have saddlebags so that I can actually pack a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, you
Because other
don't
than
have,
that, there's no reason to have full saddlebags on something like this
no,
all the time,
not for
especially
just,
whenever you're out doing trail riding and crap
right,
all the time.
not for just carrying around all the time on you.
Yeah.
That ain't Hot Rod Keith
Whirlies.
pulling them wheelies. It's pretty cool trails out here in Arizona, guys. You guys that come out and check them out. But man, I mean, they go and go and go. There's tons of them for sure. So we're gonna get off here on this video. We'll catch you all in the next video, which will actually be continuation of this one. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.